Did you know there's a creamy, dreamy drink out there that not only tastes amazing but can transform your health and beauty from the inside out? It's called coconut milk, also lovingly known as beauty milk, and it's a summer must-have. In the next few minutes, we're diving into 10 incredible benefits of coconut milk that'll make you want to stock your fridge with it immediately. Whether you're chasing glowing skin, silky hair, or just better health, this tropical treasure's got your back. And wait till you hear benefit number 7. It's something people pay hundreds for, but coconut milk gives you for free. Let's go coconut crazy. Coconut milk has been used in Southeast Asia, the Caribbean, and tropical Africa for centuries, not just in cooking, but as a beauty elixir. In the Philippines, for example, women used it to soften their hair long before commercial conditioners existed. Here's a cool fact. Coconuts are known as the tree of life because every part of it, water, oil, meat, husk, has value. But the milk? Oh, that's the luxury cream of the crop. Okay, ready? Let's dive into the magic of coconut milk. 1. Coconut milk gives you glowing, hydrated skin. Let's start with what most of us crave during the summer, glowing skin that's not greasy or dry. Coconut milk is rich in vitamin C, copper, and healthy fats that deeply moisturize the skin. It also has antioxidants that fight free radicals, helping you maintain a youthful glow. Quick tip: dab chilled coconut milk on a cotton pad and apply it to your face. Hello, natural toner. Amazing fact: in ancient Polynesian cultures, coconut milk was used as a sunburn remedy. Why? Its cooling, anti-inflammatory properties helped soothe and heal skin faster than aloe. 2. Strengthens hair like a natural conditioner. Let's talk about your summer hair, dry, frizzy, sun-damaged. Coconut milk can fix that. Thanks to fatty acids and lauric acid, it penetrates deep into the hair shaft, repairing damage and adding shine. It also nourishes the scalp and helps reduce dandruff. DIY hack: mix coconut milk with aloe vera and apply it as a hair mask for 30 minutes. Your strands will love you for it. Amazing fact: the lauric acid in coconut milk is also found in breast milk, which explains its intense, nourishing properties. 3. Boosts immunity and fights infections. Coconut milk is high in antimicrobial lipids, lauric acid, capric acid, and caprylic acid, which have antifungal, antibacterial, and antiviral properties. That means coconut milk doesn't just taste good, it actively helps your body fight off summer colds, sore throats, and even foodborne infections. Amazing fact: lauric acid in coconut milk turns into monolaurin in your body. This is the same compound found in breast milk that helps fight off viruses. 4. Aids in weight loss. Yes, really? Okay, don't freak out when you hear fat in coconut milk. It's medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, the good kind of fat. MCTs are quickly converted into energy, which means your body is more likely to burn them rather than store them. Studies show that people who consume MCTs tend to eat less in later meals. So yes, drinking coconut milk in moderation can actually help you shed pounds. Summer tip: blend coconut milk with frozen pineapple and spinach for a tropical weight loss smoothie. I also made a video on fat-burning teas, but some people find it harder to consume tea in summers. For them, coconut milk is best choice. If you're loving these benefits so far and want more natural health and beauty tips, tap that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss our weekly videos. All right, now let's get into the next round of benefits. The best is yet to come. 5. Improves digestion and soothes the gut. If your tummy throws tantrums every time you eat out, coconut milk might be your peace offering. Its healthy fats help improve nutrient absorption and soothe the digestive lining. It also contains electrolytes like potassium and magnesium, which help ease constipation and cramping. Fun fact: in Ayurveda, coconut milk is considered a cooling food, perfect for balancing excess heat and acidity in the body during the summer. 6. Builds strong bones. Coconut milk is a good source of phosphorus and helps improve calcium absorption, especially when fortified. It's great for people who are lactose intolerant or just looking to reduce dairy. Amazing fact: coconut milk doesn't just mimic dairy, It actually helps reduce joint inflammation thanks to its natural anti-inflammatory compounds. 7. Naturally reduces wrinkles and fine lines. Here comes that benefit we promised earlier. Wrinkle reduction without pricey serums or injections. The vitamin E and antioxidants in coconut milk help restore collagen, improve elasticity, and prevent premature aging. Use it as a natural face mask once a week, and over time you'll notice smoother, plumper skin. For wrinkles, I also made a video about the oils recommended by dermatologists to prevent fine lines, and it is in the description. Also watch it if you want baby skin at 40s. 8. Balances hormones naturally. Ladies, listen up. This one's a game changer. The healthy fats in coconut milk help support hormone production, especially during PMS, perimenopause, and even after pregnancy. It contains plant-based saturated fats that the body uses to synthesize hormones. Feeling moody, bloated, or just off? Try adding coconut milk to your smoothies or oatmeal for a subtle but powerful shift. Amazing fact: coconut milk is often used in fertility-enhancing diets in Pacific Island cultures. The belief? A nourished body is a fertile body. Also, a surprise for all women who are often worried about their hormonal imbalance. 20 hormone-balancing foods are waiting for you in the description. Don't miss them. 9. Supports heart health. Wait, coconut milk for heart health? Isn't it high in fat? Yes, but again, it's the right kind of fat. MCTs may help raise HDL, good cholesterol, while lowering LDL, bad cholesterol. Plus, the antioxidants in coconut milk help reduce oxidative stress, a major factor in heart disease. Summer tip: use chilled coconut milk in your morning cold brew instead of sugary creamer. It's creamy, dreamy, and heart smart. If you want to know about other foods for heart, by heart health experts, watch it in the description. 10. Hydrates and cools the body. During hot summers, coconut milk is packed with electrolytes, potassium, sodium, magnesium, that help hydrate you from the inside out. If you've been sweating buckets this summer, a glass of coconut milk can literally rebalance your body. It's also naturally cooling, so it not only quenches thirst, but calms inflammation and heat-related breakouts. Amazing fact: in some cultures, coconut milk is given to people with fevers or heat stroke to quickly restore hydration and body balance. Who knew coconut milk was such a multitasking miracle? From radiant skin and luscious hair to stronger immunity and a calmer gut, it's no wonder it's called beauty milk. Especially in summer, this creamy elixir deserves a spot in your kitchen, your bathroom shelf, and even your skincare routine. Now, it's your turn. Which benefit surprised you the most? Comment below. I love hearing what you all discover. And don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and share this video with your coconut-obsessed bestie. New videos drop every week. Natural health, beauty, and lifestyle tips that actually work. Until next time, stay glowing, stay hydrated, and stay coconut cool.